Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today we will discuss the best time to post on TikTok on Wednesday. So there is no direct best time to post on TikTok, no matter what the day of the week it is, because TikTok's algorithm is highly personalized, and that means that TikTok shows content to users based on their interests and behavior. So go to your profile in the TikTok application, and then in the top right corner of your screen you see 3 horizontal lines. This is the menu, that's what we need. And here you see TikTok Studio. Go to your analytics and go to section at the top, viewers, and if you scroll down you will see the section most active times, and this is basically the hours when your viewers are most active, and this will be the real best time for you. So how to access this analytics tool, we have another video on our channel. It is called how to analyze TikTok analytics, so I highly recommend you to go and watch it and basically launch this feature. And also another thing that you should post consistently on TikTok. This is 3 to 5 times per week will be perfect. And also you can try experimenting with timing and then adjust based on what gets the most engagement. So that's it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.